Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to One to Step. In this video we're gonna take a look at how to edit Instagram Reels. Now there are a lot of applications or video editors that you can edit your Reels on, but I suggest that you use CapCut because it is a great video editor and has everything that you need to edit your videos. So you just download it and just tap open it, and you can just tap on new project and import the video. Once you import the video, you can see on the bottom there are a lot of tools that you can use. If you select the video like this, even more tools pop up. Now if you want to add in audio to your reels, you can also do that by tapping on the audio option and tap on sounds. Here you can type in the name of the song and singers and add in the song to your video. Once you add in the audio, there are a lot of things that you can edit on the audio as well. You can take a look at these and choose the one that you want. Now apart from audio, you can also add in different things such as overlays. So if you want to add in multiple layers to the video, you can tap on add overlay and then just import the video. Now you can move this around to wherever you want. If you have any one unwanted part on the video, you can easily remove it by tapping on the video and then tap on split. And again move this line and tap on split again. Once you splitted this part, you can tap on it and then tap on delete. You can also add in different effects and filters to your video, and you can also change in the format. You can also add in text, and the good part about CapCut is you can auto generate captions. So if your video has a voice in it, you can just tap on auto captions. First tap on the text and you'll have an option of auto captions, and your captions will be automatically added in the screen, and you'll be able to change in your style and the font of the text. So that was the basic rundown on how to edit your reels. Now you can just tap on the arrow on the top right and then export to your phone, and then you can quickly post it to your Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.